Good morning, everyone. Maria Von is here. I hope you have a great weekend. 5 things you will tell your children before it's too late. Number 1, friends who make you small are not true friends. Real friends make you feel good about yourself. They cheer you on. They don't tear you down just to feel bigger. Number 2, don't compare yourself to others. Don't measure your worth against someone else. Highlight reel. Their path is not your path, and yours is just as worthy. Number 3, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every wrong turn is a lesson. Every mistake is a proof that you are moving on, not standing still. Number 4, always be yourself. The world will change you, but the right people will love you for exactly who you are, not you pretend to be. Failing is a part of journey. The road every strong, brilliant person has walked before you was full of failures that they make it through and grew into who they were meant to want to become. And so were you. So parents, I hope you will give this thoughts to ponder to your children. I hope it's a great help. Take care, guys. Take care, stay safe, and God bless. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Maria Von. Bye.